My door is always open. This is what we tell our loved ones, the people in our lives who are forever welcome in our homes. Now it truly can be, and you don't have to change a thing. Meet the Level Bolt, the world's first invisible smart lock designed to fit seamlessly inside your door. Thoughtfully crafted for effortless installation and battery replacement. And engineered from the ground up to deliver efficiency, reliability, and quality you can trust. The Level Bolt invisibly offers you and your loved ones new opportunities to live in the moment.
Unlock the front door.
To truly invite people in. To have a door that's always open. Same keys, same look, same you, and a world of new ways to say, welcome home.